This lakefront charmer is now for sale on Indian Lake in Denville. There is tons of potential for a future dream home, investment or adorable summer lake cottage. A large deck anchors this home on the edge of the water. It is truly a tranquil setting. Enjoy all the amenities of year-round lake living, including fishing, boating, swimming, ice skating or just the pretty views. Get in just in time to enjoy summer Indian Lake community fun and activities. You can't beat the location. Inside, this home features an open floor plan. It is wide open from front to back deck. The kitchen is convenient and tucked into the side of the main living space. A large center island makes the perfect gathering spot. Enjoy the gorgeous bay water Indian Lake view. This condo alternative is a perfect starter or downsizer home. The bedroom is large and located right off the main living dining combo. There is great space for entertaining. A full bath rounds out this home. Indian Lake is a desirable, vibrant community located less than a mile from the heart of downtown Denville. Come down to the lake for some fun days of fun for kids of all ages. With a rich history of memories and traditions, Indian Lake continues to provide a unique and memorable experience for generations of families and makes this a truly special place to live. Year-round activities are available to lake members including swimming, boating, fishing, volleyball, horseshoes and softball. Enjoy fun weekend, kids events, live music events and social clubs. Come down to the lake for some fun days of fun for kids of all ages. Indian Lake is located less than a mile from the heart of downtown Denville. The town of Denville, known as the hub of Morris County, is a great little town located only 40 miles from New York City. Take a stroll down Broadway or Main Street, both filled with a variety of restaurants and shops, that all add to the small-town charm. Denville also has seasonal street festivals and holiday parades down Broadway that have been enjoyed by local families for years. The town is conveniently located near major highways, and easy access to buses and trains make it ideal for commuters.